In this video, we're going to show you how to install a tailgate damper located on the inside of your tailgate area on your Dodge Ram. On the inside of the bed here where the cable comes up to, there's going to be a little retaining clip right here. I'm going to use a pocket screwdriver and gently lift up on that. I'm going to lift up on the bed. That's going to give us some cable slack. And slide that up and off. Now before you let go of the tailgate, you want to make sure that you have assistance if the other cable is broken. Otherwise the tailgate will come down, hit the bumper, and you can damage the tailgate itself. Our cable is still good, so we're able to go ahead and release that. Using a T45 Torx bit, go ahead, loosen and remove this. I'm going to hold the little retaining washer here. Remove the bolt. We're going to reuse this bolt. Put that back in the latch and tighten that down. You're going to take this component here, and it requires a number 5 Allen wrench head. I'm going to insert this, and as we tighten this, it's going to cause this to flare out and lock onto our tailgate bed here. $10mm wrench on the nut side here, number 5 Allen, and what this does is it causes the inside to flare out. Now we can go ahead and remove this. And we'll go ahead and take this here. I'm going to thread that in. I want to go ahead and snug that down. Use our 13mm wrench. We want to go ahead and snug this down. Now the bolt here where our cable had attached to, we're going to go ahead, loosen and remove that using a T45. Install the washer on the stud, line that up, and go ahead and thread that in. We're going to use our 18mm wrench to go ahead and finish snugging that down. Go ahead and snap this on. Go ahead and stretch this down. And we'll go ahead and release the tailgate. And there you have it.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.